Hello brothers and sisters, in this video I will unbox a Longines watch. This is the Longines Conquest chronograph piece from QUARTZ movement, not the latest version, what is the VHP, what is a very high precision QUARTZ movement, but this is a QUARTZ movement, and of course that is accurate enough. So let's start with the unboxing. As you see, there is a yellow outer paper box here written Longines and the original trademark of the brand. As you see, a simple paper box. Inside we find a leather inner box, and we can find the booklets here. The booklet is really nice. There is a nice Longines sign on the huge book. We have got some warranty card here. This is the Longines warranty card. Plastic card, very cool. We have got some bills. The booklet is printed with some Longines trademarks and text how the brand changed its writing of the name. This is cool, and as you see, there are lots of information in the booklet. It's a huge booklet, never seen this huge booklet for a watch in one piece. So this is it. We put it back and let's continue with the inner box. It's a wooden, it's a leather box, but it is plastic inside. And if we open, we will find the timepiece, we will find a little inner part here with Longines and the logo or the trademark. This is leather too. It feels quality, it feels nice. And if we remove this, we find the timepiece inside. What is, as I mentioned before, is the Longines Conquest. So the Conquest is the model or the serial line of the Longines. So the sport models of the Longines brand. As you may know, the Longines is part of the Swatch group, so not an independent brand, and a little bit maybe it's in the shadow compared to the Omega or, for example, the Breguet, what are also belongs to the Swatch group. By the way, the Longines as a brand has got a huge history back to the 19th century, so this is a cool brand. I prefer automatic, or may I say mechanical watches. This one is a QUARTZ watch, but the QUARTZ movement has got its own value. I can say that it's accurate, it's robust, it's durable, and it's much cheaper than a mechanical movement. Okay, it's powered by battery, but I guess this is okay, for example, for sporting or working or an everyday timepiece. This is okay on the entry level. So as you see, this timepiece, this is not just a simple chronograph, but this is a 1 per 100 second chronograph. So if we push the start button, as you see, the second hand of the chronograph will start to move. We have got here an hour disc with 20 hour. We have got here a minute disc with 30 hour, and that is the running second, and there is another red second hand here, what is the 100 second hand. So if we stop, the red hand will jump to that pace, as you saw it. What means we spend 28 seconds and that much 1 per 100 second or millisecond since we pressed the start button. This is not a flyback chronograph, this is a single chronograph, so if we wanna start again or to continue it, we just push the start button. But if we wanna reset the chronograph, we have to stop it like this, and then we reset with the reset button, and all the hands will jump back. So this is it. The timepiece is water resistant up to 200 meters. So for that, this is a screw-in crown here with a nice logo on it. We have to screw out if we want to manipulate the time. The crown is huge, and the crown guards are nicely built together with the pushers. So for the first sight, it looks like these whole parts are the crown guards, but no, these are the pushers. If we screw out the crown with one click, we will be able to set the hour hand. So it's some kind of GMT complication. In that way, it helps to set the hour or the hour hand without moving or setting the minute hands. And of course, we are setting the date with that too. So it works like it used to be work on a GMT watch. And if we pull it twice or the second position, then we will be able to manipulate the second hand, and of course the hour hand will be moved too. If we push it back, we have to screw back the crown to reach the water resistant parts. The case is 41mm wide. I think this is perfect for any wrist. Not too special. There are some brushed and some polished, highly polished parts on the watch. It's matching the dial, what is cool and nice, but maybe the highly polished bezel will be a scratch magnet sooner or later. And this is a stainless steel piece, of course. The bracelet is stainless steel too, with brushed outer rings and highly polished inner rings. We have here knife clamps working nicely, and we can see the case back, what will show us the original logo or trademark of the Longines brand from 1867. That is the year when this logo was made. So this is it, a nice quartz chronograph, what is affordable and from a highly respected brand. We call it Longines, and it has got a loom, of course. Now I will show you it. Not the strongest ever, but strong enough, I guess. The watch is not filled with LED lamp. It was in the box from days now. As you see, it's visible. Not the strongest ever, as I said, but it's okay. And let me show you a wrist. This is it, how it looks on the wrist. This is sporty but also elegant. A little bit of Rolex Daytona style. That's all. So hope you liked it, and see you later.